the viewers. It is a great privilege to welcome you for No Walls, online program by Little Flower Nursery and Primary School. No walls, no barrier to learn, no barrier for exposure. Let me know, make you wait long. Each person is a gift of God with unique talents. Here comes Master Melvin Benjamin, who is just 3+ years old, is here to bring all the animal in front of your eyes. Chat. Cow. Cow. Moo. Lion. Lion. Peacock. Tiger. Monkey. Parrot. Cow. Snake. Kids of born with lot of potential. Yalnila, who is not even started her grade class, is here to say reverse counting in 30 seconds. 15, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Cartoon Corner by Kanishk and Harita Sri. I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book by J.K. Rowling. Here comes Jessica to prove it in short shelf by talking about the book she read and inspired.
Reading is the most effective learning method, and we all know the value of children reading stories. In truth, books have always been and will remain the most signifying part to knowledge. One of my favorite books is The Jungle Book, written by Rudyard Kipling in 1894. Story revolves around Mowgli, a human kid, raised by wolf in a wild forest. Bahira, a loving panther, find a small boy in a jungle and deliver them to the wolf pack. Mama wolf raised Mowgli as her baby. Daddy wolf teaches Mowgli all the skills of a forest. Mowgli understands the jungle laws and spend time with Baloo and Bahira. Shere Khan, a dangerous tiger, wants to eat. So Mowgli thinks of a plan to rescue themselves and succeed. Everybody in a forest gets happy. Moral of a story: be loving and also be courageous.
This book is available in our library. If anyone like to enjoy reading, you are welcome. Grandparents used to tell a story to kids. If a kid tell a story in her version, how it would be? Wait and watch. Dikshita, who is just 4 years old, Dolly is here.
Fox and the Crow. Hungry fox saw a crow sitting on a tree. In its piece of cheese in its mouth. The cunning fox wanted the cheese. The fumble crow, you are talking to the crow. Was very beautiful. Sing a song with me. Crow was very happy. Open its mouth. Caw, caw, caw. And the cheese fell down. Cunning fox very happy. Picked up a cheese and ran away.
Lot of people have different version of this story. If you are one among them, please leave in the comment. 0 will get value if added number before. Like that, a person added atoms will add value to his life. Vinita is going to present a speech about the hero who came from 0.
Hi friends, I'm Vinita, here to talk on the topic 0 to hero. It's not that much easy task to reach hero level from 0. Am I right? But perseverance and hard work would make a person great one day. Real living example is hero Ajit. I know many of you are fans and feel proud to hear these words. He is not belonged to cine background, but his hard work alone fetched a great place in that field. Just a diploma holder turned into a person who did Daksha flight and made every engineer proud. Are these alone? No, not at all. He recently won a second place in race held at Dubai, which made every Indian proud. He could be in number one position as Vijay gave him mass entry in politics. Still, he did not bother for first or second and started to run at the back of his dreams. Recently, he received the prestigious award Padma Bhushan. Awards will give fame to the person who received, but awards got honored because of Ajit. So he is a real hero who came from 0. Let us all not only enjoy the movie but learn from their life. Thank you.
Next, our beloved friends are eagerly waiting for a debate on the topic. Junk food vs healthy ones in the round table. Are you all ready?
Hi dears, are you all ready for the snacks time?
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoy your time dears.
Hi friends, I bought French fries for my snacks. It's yummy. If anyone wants, please join to taste.
What do you call this food?
Junk food.
Is it good for health?
But it's delicious to eat, ma'am.
Yes, of course. It is highly in calories, sodium which leads to digestive problem, heart disease. Oh, so must avoid.
Ma'am, I brought veg salad. Is it healthy food?
Yes, of course. It is excellent source of fiber, vitamin, minerals, etc. So keep the food.
Sorry, ma'am. I bought potato chips. Is it junk food?
Yeah.
But it's readily available and good to taste. So I bought, ma'am.
It may be readily available, but it may give us a health issues. How it process or packaging it, so you must avoid.
Ma'am, I brought sundal. It is healthy food or junk food?
Anyone could answer?
Yes, ma'am, I could. It is healthy food. It is packed with protein, fiber, essential minerals like iron, magnesium.
Wow, how do you know it?
My mom, who's a dietitian, told me once.
Wow, that sounds nice.
Ma'am, see mine. I'm taking cut apples. As a apple on a date keeps a doctor away.
Good dears, even your snacks time, best learnt your lesson. Am I right, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Avoid junk food
to be healthy.
Movie time is not only joyful but for learning too.
Nasadanya. It's the circle of life. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Ooh. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Can you feel the love tonight in the circle of life?
What are you doing?
We are watching movie.
What is the movie name?
Lion King movie.
Do you like the movie?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Why, dear?
I like only horror movies.
Which scene moved you?
I was totally moved when the cub asking his dad lion to get up without knowing he is dead.
I too feel. Which scene do you like the most?
The father lion is killed and the cub is full of sadness. But his new friends made him a bride by singing, dancing, and playing. This scene I like the most.
That's what I too like. You people also learn to help others. Which scene you get emotion?
That lion was dead so that the cub was praying. That scene I get emotional.
I have seen many animals in this movie. Which animal do you like the most?
I like hyenas as it did not get fear to face the lion, ma'am.
You have seen animals taking revenge and kill the other one. But do you think it will happen in real life?
No, they don't have sixth sense, ma'am. So they are not aware of jealousy, taking revenge, etc. I feel.
Play together, have fun. It's time for fun games.
பல தடைகளை தாண்டி ஜெயிப்பதே கல்வி.
Be cheerful always by watching Cessbuster.
Mama,
Yeah.
why the letter W in the alphabet is called W? Shouldn't it be called double V?
What happened, baby?
Mama, can I go to boys' school?
Why, baby?
My teacher missed. My teacher didn't put my homework on my so all the girls said homework, ma'am.
Our sincere thanks to all the participants of this wonderful show. Our heartfelt thanks to the viewers who really appreciate and encourage us. Our lovable thanks to our dear Chitra ma'am for coordinating this show to expose our talent. Signing off, Dhanishri.